Hello, so we're going to cover the lead's salsa basic. As a reminder, when we're dancing salsa, the count goes as 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice we don't count the 4 or the 8. Those are pauses when we're dancing in salsa. And we'll demonstrate what we mean by that once we get into it. So to begin, have your feet together, hands around the waist, and make sure you have a good posture and a good frame. Leads, as a reminder, we always start with our left foot. And to begin, start with stepping forward with your left leg on 1, shifting all your weight to your left leg, and then tap in place with your right leg on 2, and then collect your feet together on 3. So those are the first 3 counts. It should look like this. 1, 2, 3. Now for 5, 6, 7, you're going to start by stepping back with your right leg on 5, shifting all your weight to your right leg, and then tap in place with your left leg on 6, and then collect your feet together on 7. So for 5, 6, 7 should look like this. 5, 6, 7. Now putting it all together, this is what the salsa basic should look like. Goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, last one, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So that is the lead salsa basic. Now for some reminders and some pointers. The way I taught this basic was to help anyone who's never danced before or who's new to salsa and making sure they have a good understanding of the steps. And by doing so, I taught it where you do your steps and you collect in the middle. So once you've practiced that enough and feel confident, now what I would recommend is doing is called passing through the middle. So this will enhance your salsa basic and make it more smoother and improve overall. So what I mean by that, I'll just do a demonstration. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, pass the middle. 5, 6, 7, pass the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to face this way so you get a different view of what I'm talking about. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, pass the middle. 5, 6, 7, pass the middle. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So essentially, instead of pausing with your feet together, you're stepping past it. And also, instead of stopping abruptly, your pause is just slowly going so that you can go back to doing your counts. Okay, another reminder is when we're dancing salsa, we always are on the balls of our feet, just because when you're dancing salsa, it's always fast paced, if not faster. And you always want to be on the balls of your feet so you're more agile and you can keep up to the rhythm of the salsa music, depending how fast it is. And it's also helpful so when you're doing turns or spins, or whatever move you like, you'll be there up to date with the rhythm of the music. And with that being said, this was the lead salsa.